Welcome to Innovian Foods. Today we are making Banana Malpua, a soft flavorful traditional sweet that's perfect for breakfast, snack or dessert. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 ripe bananas and pour them into a blender. Ripe bananas naturally sweeten the batter and enhance softness. Malpua has been enjoyed as a festive sweet for centuries. Add 1/4 cup sugar and blend until smooth. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Now add 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoons semolina, 1 teaspoon soft, 1 cup milk. Mix well to form a smooth pourable batter. Soft adds a mild aromatic taste and aids digestion. Banana Malpua is popular across many regions with small variation in flavor. The batter should be thick but flow easily when poured. Heat oil on medium flame. Pour small portion of batter into the oil. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Fry on medium heat to cook evenly inside. Remove and drain excess oil. Avoid overcrowding the pan while frying. Banana are rich in potassium and provide instant energy. Semolina adds structure and slow releasing curve. Homemade Malpua contains fewer additives than packaged sweets. Soft supports digestion after frying. Your Banana Malpua is golden soft and full of flavor. Enjoy it warm with tea or milk. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy traditional recipes.